The course I did last year was Te Ao Maori Foundation, which was a combination of an art course and as well as learning about tikanga, kawa, toi and te reo Māori. Our kaiko allowed us to be able to develop our own skills, and he really just created a really safe space for us to have a starting point where we were at, and he just encouraged us to be able to do the things that we wanted to do in the class. I'd say that the wānanga is one of the few places that is really, really safe. Wherever you come from, wherever or however little you think you know or however much you do know, that the wānanga is the most perfect space to come in to be able to start your learning journey. So for myself and my whānau, it's just a wonderful way with my everyday mahi that I'm able to be more mindful of things te ao Māori in my everyday life.